In this video, we're going to review how to fax documents from the patient chart in Valent.io. Please note that integrated outbound faxing is an add-on feature in Valent. If you do not already have this feature enabled, please contact our subscription team at subscription.valent.com. Choose Add Service or Module and Integrated Outbound eFaxing. There's no setup fee to enable eFaxing, but there is a 6-cent per page charge that will be billed monthly based on usage. Once you submit your request to the subscription team, they'll follow up with you to confirm and add this feature to your account. All right, now let's get started. First, I'm going to open the patient chart in Valent by going to Open Chart in the upper left, then searching the last name, first name, or patient ID to find and select the patient I want. Next, we're going to go to the Documents section in the chart, and we want to find and select the documents we want to fax. Note that you can use the filters at the top of the screen to help you quickly find the documents you're looking for. For example, I just want to find my most recent progress notes. I can click the relevant checkboxes to select individual documents, or I can click the top checkbox to select all. Now that I have at least one document selected, you can see the Batch Action option in the upper right is now active and can be clicked on. From this menu, we're going to select Fax. This opens the Fax Documents window. I can simply type to enter the recipient's name and fax number, or I can select, if this is someone I send faxes to frequently, I can add them to the system and select them from the drop-down here. This will populate their name and fax number for me automatically. To add providers to this provider drop-down, we're going to cancel out of here. We're going to go to one of the non-chart tabs in Valent to have our full menu here and go to Persons and Institutions, Outside Providers. Now we'll click New in the upper right to open a new outside provider record. We need to at least enter the name and fax number of the provider we want to set up. Back on our chart tab, we're going to refresh to incorporate that data we just added to the system. And now when we go to Batch Action, Fax, we see that provider available from the provider dropdown. If you would like to include a cover sheet with your fax, select the Include Cover Sheet checkbox. Note that the cover sheet is considered one additional page for billing purposes. If you include a cover sheet, you also have the option of adding a note that'll be transmitted on that cover page. Click Send, and off it goes. Please note that trying to fax documents with any sort of password protection on them or files larger than 20 megabytes will cause an error. I hope you found this video to be helpful in orienting you on how to fax documents from the patient chart in IO. Have a nice day.